Take both of your cords and fold them evenly in half and just nestle them here together. And then we're going to secure them together with an overhand knot so we form this small little loop at the top. Now just secure your ropes down to a tabletop surface. Now we're going to take our two outer cords, in my case they are the black cords, and we're going to tie them around our middle cords with a square knot. So I'm going to take the side here on the right and cross it over the two cords in the middle to form a loop. Then the side on the left goes over that right cord. I send it behind the two cords in the middle and pull it up through the loop. Then I'm going to pull that nice and tight. Now I'm going to take the side on the left to cross over the two cords in the middle to form a loop. The side on the right goes over that left cord, behind the two in the middle, and up through the loop. Pull it tight. Just like that. Now we're going to tie a knot that is called the endless falls knot. So we're going to take those outer cords and form a loop over the two cords in the middle by just crossing that right and left cord together. I like to think of this as two well-defined loops, one on the right side and one on the left. I'm going to take my middle right cord and twist it up and around to go through the right side of the loop. Now my left side twists up and around to go through the left side of the loop. Now I'm going to pull on those two outer cords together to tighten up this knot, and then also tug on the left and the right middle cord to smooth and tighten everything out. I'm going to put those two black cords in the middle, and we're going to tie a vertical lark's head knot. Starting on the left side, my cord crosses over the middle cord to form a loop. I twist it around and pull it through the loop, and then pull it tight. Then I'm going to take that same cord behind to form the loop, twist it around and pull it through the loop, and then pull it tight. Now I'm going to do the same on the right side. So once again, that cord crosses over to form a loop. I twist it around, pull it through the loop, and then pull it tight. Then that same cord comes behind to form a loop. I twist it around and pull it through the loop and pull it tight. I'm going to tie one more of these knots on the right side. Going to tie another endless falls knot. So put your black cords back on the outer sides so that your original middle cords are back in the middle. Then we're just going to form that loop we did before right on top of those middle cords. And we're going to take our right middle cord up and around to go through the right loop. Then that left middle cord goes up and around to go through the left loop. pull those outer cords together to tighten up the knot while also pulling on the middle cords to tighten and smooth as well. Just like that, we'll have a little flower that is formed. Now we're going to tie another square knot like we did at the start. Just like that. And now we're just going to repeat. So we're tying that endless falls knot once again. Then we're going to tie our vertical lark's head knots. This time I'm going to tie 2 on the left side. This pattern over and over again until you have 7 flowers total. Just make sure you alternate which side has the 2 vertical lark's head dots as you tie your flowers. And here is what it will look like once you have tied a bunch of those little flowers. Okay, so you can tie more or less of these flowers depending on the size of your wrist. Okay, you just want it to fit all the way around comfortably. So this will be a little bit different for everybody, but I tied 7 flowers with a square knot on both ends. Now to finish off our bracelet, we're going to tie another overhand knot here right at the bottom to match the top. We're going to work on closing our bracelet with an adjustable closure. So the first step we're going to do is take our ends and we're just going to tie another little overhand knot towards the end. Okay, you can kind of leave as much space as you want. We're going to tie the adjustable closure by forming a slip knot. So take that original loop and just send the ends right through it. Okay, so you'll notice we formed a new loop. What we're going to do is just keep pulling these ends through to make that new loop a little bit smaller. Now we're going to send the ends back through the new loop. Okay, and I like to pull it so that the space between those two overhand knots are about in the middle of the new loop. And then we're going to take that first original loop and start pulling it through the project to meet up with that gap. Okay, so it's just going to pull all the way through until it reaches the middle. Okay, and then kind of adjust your cords so that they're neat. And you'll notice our closure now is adjustable and slides. Just like that, and now our flower bracelet is complete.